Good morning. Today we're going to Permai Rainforest. Rainforest is a resort. Tapi mandi aja with Lisa, Muhammad, and Mizan. Yes. Let's go.
Ku kan selalu memikirkan dirimu, tak bisa.
It feels so therapeutic walking here on a breezy Sunday, and hopefully we'll get sunny and the weather will be great, and so the mood feels so great. Look at this house.
Hadapi semua, hanya bersamamu ku akan bisa. Kau adalah darahku. Sempurna. Kau genggam tanganku saat diriku lemah.
This is a wonderful, wonderful view. It's like 11 a.m. in the morning, and there is my view. Uy. Oh. What? 네, 좋네. There's my sister taking picture. Here's Mizan taking picture of her. It's very beautiful.
Jantungku, kau adalah hidupku, lengkapi diriku. Oh sayangku, kau
Now going to the beach after I have just finished swimming by the pool.
Janganlah kau.
Bang, how do you feel after the trip? Feel tired?
Yes,
Very tired.
that's all.
That's right. Bang, lapar sih? Yes. Bang, mau makan apa?
I want to eat anything, only fish.
No. You want to eat anything, but not fish. Okay. Kita makan ayam lah. So, hence, we ended our trip with some green tea flavored milk and some Pepsi. So now we run our way to the car and head back to Kuching.
Adalah hidupku, lengkapi diriku. Oh sayangku, kau begitu. Sayangku, kau begitu.
Is this a real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a proud boy, I need no sympathy, because I'm easy come, easy go. Little high, little low.